This magnificent motorhome I have in front of me is the Silver Dream S690DB, only 690 centimeters in length, and it's got this fantastically large garage at the back which you could easily put several bicycles. This vehicle comes though at quite a cost. It's a monocoque vehicle and it comes at a price of €171,000. What this has got at the back, that is my favourite layout. It's got a widthwise bed, and of course, as always, you've got these storage compartments all the way around. They've got this nice elegant curve in them. Under the bed we have access to the garage, and there is a step up into bed. Here we've got this really large shower with, at the top there is ventilation. More ventilation's offered by this thing here. You turn that on there, you then close it, and the air comes out the top and at the rear as well, where it's directed to. In here we have the toilet, and as you might expect in a vehicle like this, the door closes like that, and you can lock the door should you be so inclined. Large kitchen, very large for in this 7-meter class. Space for preparation, and you've got storage up here, and these once more elegant looking compartments. There's a big fat fridge under it, and there's more storage under the sink as well. Behind me I've got a large wardrobe with these drawers as well, and once more look at the quality of the drawers. There's the bed up front which will move up and down as required depending on the position that you want to use it in. Large table, and so I think the highest point of this is the size, 690 centimeters, the monocoque design. The price of course is the down part, but then again you get what you pay for. So Silver Dream S690DB, widthwise bed at the back. Thanks for watching.